Some months, there's not a lot going on, while others, like March, there's so much to celebrate. St. Patty's Day is on the 17th, and a few days later, it's the first day of spring. And let's not forget Mardi Gras, Ash Wednesday, and one event that we can embrace all month long, National Frozen Food Month. That means there's no better time than right now to take advantage of all the innovative products, the shortcut ingredients, and the sales that are going on. And with so many of us eating more meals at home, it's nice to have so many options that all we have to do is heat and eat. No need to eat out or order in from our local Chinese, Italian, or Mexican restaurant when we can stock up on ethnic specialties that go from the freezer to the table in just minutes. If you're a breakfast lover like I am, then you're going to love the convenience of fluffy waffles, country sausage, and plant-based favorites all ready and waiting before the coffee is even brewed. And for all of us who love to nibble and indulge, it's amazing how many new options there are right next to our old favorites in the freezer aisle. And with a stock freezer, we can enjoy fresh from the farm veggies and fruits year-round with no prep and no waste. Look what I did here. I whipped up a steaming hot homemade soup in minutes using a handful of freezer favorites. If you'd like the recipe for our shortcut meatball soup, all you have to do is visit our website. Boy, is this ever good. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found an inspiring and money-saving way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Mm-mm.